How to delete Manus AI account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I will guide you on how you can delete the Manus AI account. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Manus AI app on your mobile device. Now click on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From here, click on the right side arrow of your username. Now over here, you can see that there is an option of delete account. To delete your account, just click on that. First, click on Send Code. Now, a verification code will be sent to your email. First, open your Gmail and copy the 6-digit code. Now, go back to Manus AI account and paste your verification code over there. Now, click on the Delete button to delete your account. Now, your account is successfully deleted. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.